hope this is सारे ठीक होंगे. In this video I'm going to be reviewing about this really cute beauty blender which I bought from Wet n Wild brand. I heard really good things about this beauty blender, and I was actually looking to replace my beauty blender, so I tried a few which doesn't work for me, and then I was like, okay, I will give it a go to this one as well. So if you guys want to know, please watch the video till the end. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first of all, I'm going to show you the packaging. I really like the packaging. It looks so cute, and it says even at the back of this beauty blender, they just give some information that it give you like professional looking finish, and it's not tested on animals, and it's fully vegan. So if somebody is looking something which is not tested on animal or vegan, this is the totally go for you guys. And it's and if we are talking about the price wise, for me it's quite affordable, like it's only for $4 or $5, and which is really affordable prices. So I just apply the foundation all over my skin like that, and now I'm just going to use this beauty blender. I'm actually really excited to use that because I am trying to replacing my beauty blender, the one I have, because it's nearly it's the retired time for that beauty blender. Yeah, I like it, especially it's not eating my foundation, which is the good thing. Oh my god, this is really good. I can recommend, it's 10 out of 10 for me. I can recommend this beauty blender to everyone out there who's looking something for affordable price, and which doesn't eat your makeup at like your foundation at all. I can recommend this beauty blender to all of you. This is gonna be this is definitely replacing my old beauty blender, and I'm definitely gonna use this every day now. So if you like my video, please leave your comment into the comment section below that how you finding this video, and share this video with your friends as well who is struggling to find the right beauty blender for themselves. And I really liked it, and for me it's 10 of 10, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.